One day, the people who doubted you will proudly say they knew you. Build in silence. Let success be so loud, no one can ignore it. And sometimes, the first sign of growth is loneliness. 28 life lessons to learn before it's too late. One day, the people who didn't believe in you will tell everyone they knew you. Keep building. Even if they doubt you now, success will turn their doubts into stories. 2. When you build quietly, no one knows what to attack. Privacy is protection. Move quietly. Rise loudly. 3. Loneliness is the price you pay for becoming better. Not everyone can go where you're going. Growth often begins in solitude. 4. If someone tries to bring you down, they're already beneath you. Ignore the noise. Not all criticism is worth hearing. 5. The truth is, everyone will hurt you at some point. You just have to choose those who are worth the pain. Love isn't perfect, it's meaningful. 6. If your circle doesn't inspire you, it's not a circle, it's a cage. Your environment shapes your direction. Choose fuel, not chains. 7. A good life will still have bad days. Perfection is a myth. Struggles are part of the blessing. 8. Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened. Gratitude turns endings into beautiful memories. 9. When writing your life story, don't hand the pen to anyone else. Own your life. You're the only one who can live it. 10. A smile doesn't always mean happiness. Sometimes it means strength. A calm face often hides a resilient heart. 11. Free yourself from society's advice. Most people have no idea what they're doing. Follow your own path. 2. The family you create is more important than the one you come from. Blood makes you related. Choice makes you connected. 13. How many things would you try if failure wasn't an option? Fear limits dreams. Imagine a world where you can't fail. What would you do? 14. If you're not willing to work for it, don't complain about not having it. Desire without effort is just noise. 15. One day, all those late nights and early mornings, they'll be worth it. Your effort is quietly building the life you deserve. 16. Consistency compounds. You don't need to be fast, you just need to not quit. Progress, even slow, builds into something powerful. Just keep going. Momentum always wins. 17. If you're brave enough to say goodbye, life will reward you with a new hello. Every ending is a disguised beginning. Letting go opens space for something better. 18. The eagle uses the storm to fly even higher. Can you do the same? Obstacles aren't meant to break you, they're meant to elevate you if you rise with them. 19. When a person empties their wallet into their head, no one can steal what's gained. Money comes and goes, but knowledge, that's untouchable wealth. 20. The hardest things to endure often become the sweetest memories. Pain deepens you, struggle creates depth. Sometimes, suffering reveals your purpose. 21. The best decision I ever made was to stop telling people what I'm working on. Privacy brings peace. You don't owe the world updates. Protect your process. Let the results speak. 22. Words are like keys. Used well, they open hearts or silence harm. Speak with intention. Words are power. 3. If you only walk on sunny days, you'll never get anywhere. Growth requires showing up even when it's hard. Dark days build character. 24. People either fuel you or drain you. Choose wisely. Your circle is either energy or chaos. 5. Allow yourself to be a beginner. No one starts as a master. Humility is the first step toward greatness. 6. Do it alone. Do it broke. Do it tired. Do it scared. Just do it. Perfect conditions don't exist. Action is what changes things. 7. Never make a permanent decision based on temporary emotions. Let the wave pass. Think clearly. Let reason guide the way. 8. Life has many chapters. One bad chapter doesn't mean the book is over. Seasons shift. Pages turn. Keep reading. The best part might be next. Live long enough and you'll realize what hurts you today might be what strengthens you tomorrow. The moments you had to face alone, those are the ones where you found who you really are. Life doesn't promise ease, but it always leaves clues through silence, through failure, through the days no one understands. That's where your greatest lessons are born. Not to break you, but to shape you into who you're meant to become. And if you're in a place right now where everything feels slow, heavy, or unclear, just remember, you're still moving forward. If you made it this far, you're not just looking for motivation, you're looking for real change. And you're not alone. Keep these life lessons close, not because they're new, but because they're true. True enough that maybe you've felt them before, but today you finally found the words for them. So keep going. Live more clearly, live with purpose, and live as yourself unapologetically. If this video spoke to you, leave a comment or share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, we'll meet again in the next lesson. Deeper and Strong Adult, thank you for listening.